Before you will start learning JavaScript, we need to know some basic information about one of the most popular programming language. Do not forget to subscribe for more content. JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic, interpreted programming language. JavaScript was created by Brendan Eich while he was working at Netscape in just 10 days in May 1995. The name JavaScript was chosen as a marketing ploy to ride the coattails of Java's popularity at the time. JavaScript is used primarily in web development, but it can also be used for server-side programming and in non-browser environments. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language, which means it runs on the user's computer, rather than on the server. JavaScript is a prototype-based language, which means objects can inherit properties directly from other objects. JavaScript supports object-oriented programming, functional programming, and imperative programming paradigms. JavaScript code can be embedded directly into HTML files, or it can be included as a separate file. JavaScript is an interpreted language, which means it does not need to be compiled before execution. JavaScript is case-sensitive. JavaScript has built-in data types including strings, numbers, booleans, null, and undefined. JavaScript also has complex data types, including objects and arrays. JavaScript has a number of built-in methods for working with strings, numbers, and arrays. JavaScript uses a garbage collector to automatically free up memory that is no longer needed by the program. JavaScript supports regular expressions for searching and manipulating strings. JavaScript supports closures, which are functions that can retain access to variables in the outer function even after the outer function has returned. JavaScript uses the DOM document object model to manipulate HTML and CSS on web pages. JavaScript can also be used to manipulate SVG scalable vector graphics and XML extensible markup language. JavaScript has a number of frameworks and libraries, including React, Angular, Vue, and jQuery, that make it easier to build complex web applications. JavaScript can be used to build both front-end and back-end applications using Node. JavaScript can be used to create desktop and mobile applications using tools like Electron and React Native. JavaScript is a multi-paradigm language, meaning it supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, procedural, and functional programming. JavaScript supports asynchronous programming using callbacks, promises, and async await. JavaScript has a built-in debugger that allows developers to step through their code line by line and identify errors. JavaScript is supported by all modern web browsers, including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. JavaScript has a number of tools for testing and debugging, including Jest, Mocha, and Chrome DevTools. JavaScript has a number of security concerns, including cross-site scripting XSS attacks, cross-site request forgery CSRF attacks, and injection attacks. JavaScript is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added with each new version. The current version of JavaScript is ECMAScript 2022 S2022, which includes new features like private class methods, logical assignment operators, and numeric separators. JavaScript has a large and active community of developers, with numerous online resources, forums, and communities dedicated to helping developers learn and improve their skills.